obwe barikwetebekanisiza okuturage hamwe n'okukoregana na factory ya siminti erikuza kwombekwa omu district ya Kiruhura omu gomborora ya Sanga. Abebembezi ba Kiruhura bagizireho rutaayayo aha factory ya siminti eya The Prime erikushangwa omu Musanze Industrial Zone omu district ya Musanze omu ihanga rya Rwanda.
Nasima hangeri izoba aha wa trip itwazamu a workshop in Musanze Rwanda Kigali. So workshop itwarebera izoba yeri aha production ya cement erikugezaho kugira ngo bagireto mu Uganda. And the good thing neijo mu community y'inkurgamu o area y'inkuzaramu Kanyerere sub county.
Omu rutaayayo bashomesibwe okusiminti erikukorwa ekateekwa omu buteeka kureba ngu tiyashisha eby'obuhangwa ebyetoriire omwanya ogu hamwe n'abantu abarikutuura haihi.
Currently we are in Tororo and we are also putting a new plant in Kiruhura near Barare, which is a daily of 3,600 ton production. So after completion of that one line, the second line will be there by next 2 to 3 years time. And this plant is going to contribute a lot of economical benefit to the communities, plus the surroundings and job employment, job opportunities, and lot of benefit is going to get in that area.
Aha mutindo gwa factory egi Asekenyi Catherine or production officer wa district ya Kiruhura nagira ngu ekizibu eki district yabeine n'obutagira by'okukozesa aha kushohoza siminti nkonka kandi district ya Kiruhura betebekanisize gye ahabwe kigendererwa eki.
A lot of employment, only that we do not have the volcanic rock, this pozzolano, which is used to make the cement. So it will mean that they will be importing it from districts that have it. If this kind of rock was in Kiruhura, people would get a lot of money because the investor would just come, buy your rock, blast it and bring it to the factory.
Kubanza nkapozorana neza kuba nerga kunoyo. Ntuma yangu kilinga tutujini. Ntumanya ngu gypsum tutugine byona nabyo nibirga Kenya. Eyitu nibagyeta grinding, timiring. So nibaza kuba nibarete ebintu ebi nibabeterana kukora siminti. Owitu tariyo mabare agakorwa mu siminti.
Deborah Namara orukure bisharra n'obuhangwa mu district ya Kiruhura yashaba aba The Prime Factory kandi abari kuza kwombeka factory egi muri Kiruhura okureba ngo bakuratire biragiro kandi tibashisha by'obuhangwa.
Cement kugira ngo aha hansa hi certificate yagize ngo harwa kasharra kureka ngo ataho mitigation amizago ningashe bakora byaretera amizago ga flowing freely gakuza higashe kubangaza kandi na distance y'abantu bakekwa mbaturaho nayo baje observing nko kubyabyo byo mu certificate yanima.
So ntuzagumuza plant yagiye Kiruhura yatangiye cooperationalizinga rero ndigume tukora biodiversity assessment turukureba impact yeje plant aha bukoko bwitu muri Kiruhura.
Bamwe ombebembezi ba Kiruhura borekero ku factory egi erikuza kubahwera ombiye ntunguka
bakutunga emirimo because ejo company yeja ninga ekiri mu mateka company kwe kwija nko mu kicweka cyawe ningo mu district yawe ningo mu area yawe as youth ntwa twine kutungaho 30% ya youth ninga kutungaho abana abatandikiraho kukoraho emirimo yabo like twine some engineers around abhereze kushoma twine abana barimo bari unemployed abatine emirimo. So I thank God nkukireje abana abeitu ninga emyeto bagenzi banje mbaza kutandikiraho kutunga emirimo.
Onke kinareba omucucu tuguru ecya kabiri orwari tururo ecya kashatu no inente nabasa kuzirisa ecya kana kandi kinkwenda ngo mnyehanangerize abantu abanyakiruhura abo bashije babine baraza amatekeza babine barahazabo zikubekereza gukora environment impact assessment na nizindi zikubekereza gukora rero reka tubahereza umugisha barete development witu.
Umuringo nigwo gumwe Daniel Plant Head wa Prime Cement Factory kandi eriyo ehirwe umurimo gwo kutandikaho factory ya cement muri Kiruhura ashoborera ku plantage neza kutandika kukora myaka eri kurenga 2 kandi ebeyi ya cement ibura ry'emirimo nibija kucendera mu cyangeki.